Welcome back to AI Beginner. In this module, we'll explore two of the easiest AI tools you can start using right now, ChatGPT and Google Gemini. Both are powerful, easy to learn, and can save you hours of work. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to ask your first questions, use some practice prompts, and even generate images with ChatGPT. Here we go. Let's start with ChatGPT. This is one of the most widely used AI tools in the world. Think of it like texting a very smart assistant. You can use it in your browser at chatgpt.com or on the ChatGPT mobile app. To get started, you simply type in a request or a question. You don't need special commands. You just write like you normally would. Here, I will show you an example. Again, head over to chatgpt.com. Here are some beginner-friendly prompts to try. Let's start with explain photosynthesis in simple terms. Click the up arrow. The system will now think on your query, or better known as a prompt, for a moment or two. ChatGPT is searching its large language model based on the prompt we just entered. And there it is. You'll see a clear, plain English answer explaining photosynthesis in simple terms. If you want a real-life example, just ask, and ChatGPT will instantly reshape the output. Okay, let's give ChatGPT another one. This time we'll ask it, write a short thank you email to a coworker who helped me with a project. This example shows how ChatGPT can quickly generate a polite and professional thank you email that you can personalize. Now let's look at Google Gemini. Gemini is Google's AI assistant, and it's built right into Google's products like Gmail, Docs, and Search. You can also use it at gemini.google.com. If you've ever used Google Search, Gemini will feel familiar, but instead of just giving you links, it gives you a direct conversational answer. I'll ask Gemini, give me an outline for a 5-slide presentation about healthy eating. Now, I'll click Show Thinking. This briefly reveals Gemini's high-level planning steps, how it breaks down the request and organizes the main points. In that quick peek, you'll see it identify the goal, select the most relevant subtopics, arrange them into a logical sequence, and verify it matches your constraints, like 5 slides. After a moment, Gemini hides that internal plan and displays the final answer. Text is just the beginning. ChatGPT can also create images for you using AI image generation. The process is simple. You describe the picture you want, and ChatGPT generates it. The more detail you provide, the closer it will match your idea. Let's do a demonstration in ChatGPT showing image generation. I will put in a prompt by inserting a realistic photo of a cabin in the mountains during winter. This can take a bit to generate as the model composes the scene, arranging lighting, textures, and details from the prompt. While this cooks, let's discuss a few other prompts you can try, like a cartoon dog wearing a superhero cape, or a simple logo with the words AI Beginner in blue and white. You might also explore a 3D render of a glass sphere on a checkered floor. With any of these, you can add style, camera angle, lighting, and aspect ratio. And it's not just ChatGPT. Other AIs also create images, and some even handle video, including Gemini, Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, and Runway. All right, our cabin appeared. Now we can tweak details or generate variations. Okay, so let's recap and put it all together. With just these two tools, you can already do a lot. ChatGPT for writing, brainstorming, and image creation. Gemini for quick answers, summaries, and integration with Google products. Both are easy to start with and get better the more you practice. Thanks so much for watching this lesson here at AI Beginner. In the next module, we'll dive into Module 3, Talking to AI with Simple Prompts. You'll learn some easy tips for writing clear instructions so the AI can give you the answers and results you really want. It's going to make your AI conversations smoother, faster, and a lot more fun. I'll see you there.